Before the first footsteps, before the first maps, there were mountains. They say the Himalayas are the earth's wrinkles. A chronicle of time, resilience, and the spirit of those who have walked these trails long before names were carved into stone. Nepal, a land of legends, home to Gandaki province. A tapestry of 11 districts, each with its own story. Baglung, Gorkha, Kaski, Lamjung, Manang, Mustang, Nagdi, Nawalpur, Parvat, Sangza, and Tanav. Today, we tell you a tale of the place where the mountains meet the sky, where the lakes mirror the heavens, the tourism capital of the country, Pokhara. Rivers carve canyons and crater villages. Land speaks, not in words, but in creases of a farmer's hands. The scar of ancient glaciers, through the laughter of children chasing goat bells, and the dialects of the elders carried by the wind. From trekking the Annapurna circuit, from paragliding over Fewa Lake, from boating in the Begnas Lake, to listening to the bells of the temples, Pokhara is a playground for the soul. Adventure here isn't just about chasing. It's about surrendering to rhythms older than footsteps, rivers that soar, slopes where the air thins but wonder thickens, skies that trade adrenaline for something bigger. Here, you don't chase heights, you let them find you. It's about knowing you're small, but alive, and exactly where you need to be. Adventure isn't just in the heights. It's in the flavors carried by these winds. The cuisine here is a journey of its own. Every meal is an invitation to sit, stay, and belong. Monasteries hum with mantras older than memory. Pilgrims walk paths where devotion is the compass. At the hilltops, temples stand, keeping time in incense and echoes, watching the world change, yet never changing. Gandaki thrives on contradictions, glaciers that birth deserts, hot springs that hiss beneath icy summits, cities where life pulses to the rhythm of oars, mountains, hills, plains stitched together. This is where you unravel, only to be pieced back by frost and fire, yakwool and starlight. Namaste here isn't a greeting. It's the land saying, we have been waiting. Come for the peaks that surround the sky. Stay for the valleys that redefine your edges. Let Pokhara carve its story not just into your bones, but into the blisters you will wear like medals. This is your invitation. Come, let the land speak to you. Visit Pokhara 2025.